What's up, guys? Today I'm going to show you how to install the new bushings into a snowblower wheel. Now I already did the other side, and we're going to do this side. Now what you don't want to do is just take the hammer and start hammering this. You want to get like a piece of flat stock. In this case I'm just using a putty knife, and I'm going to tap on that. So once you got that, just lightly start tapping it, and that will go right in. Now, the other side is a little more tricky to do, and that's the way you do that side. The way I did the other side was I did it the exact same way, but let me flip the tire around. Okay, with this tire flipped around, I started it the exact same way. I used this, but if you see over here, you're not going to get down so far. It's good enough to start it and get it started, but then what you got to do is take a bigger socket and put it on top of the bushing. Hold the socket and then drive it down till it's flush. Then take your 5/8 inch socket, and once it's flush, line it up and then drive it down, and you can see the new one's installed in there.